how to choose the right lift capacity for your auto shop. In this video, we will share with you how to choose the right car lift capacity for your auto shop. Welcome to AutoCare 360. Here we discuss general insight into auto maintenance and uncover the investment opportunities available within the automobile industry. So subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Choosing the right lift capacity for your auto shop is crucial to safely and efficiently lift vehicles of varying sizes and weights. Here are some factors to consider when selecting the lift capacity. 1. Determine the heaviest vehicle you'll be working on. Identify the heaviest vehicle that you expect to lift in your auto shop. Consider larger vehicles like trucks, SUVs, or commercial vehicles that may have higher weight requirements. It's essential to choose a lift capacity that exceeds the weight of the heaviest vehicle to ensure safe lifting. On average, 3.5 tons to 5 tons lifting capacity can be used to lift most saloons, SUVs, minibuses, and lightweight trucks. 2. Consider future needs. Anticipate any changes or expansions in your business that may require working on heavier vehicles in the future. It's wise to select a lift capacity that can accommodate potential growth and meet your long-term needs without the need for upgrading or replacing the lift. 3. Consult vehicle specifications. Refer to the manufacturer's specifications of various vehicle models to understand their weight ranges. This information can give you an idea of the range of capacities you should consider. 4. Calculate the gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR. The GVWR is the maximum weight limit that a vehicle can safely carry, including passengers, cargo, and fuel. It is usually specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Ensure that the lift capacity you choose exceeds the GVWR of the vehicles you'll be working on. 5. Consider safety margins. It's advisable to choose a lift capacity with a safety margin above the expected weights of the vehicles you'll be lifting. A higher capacity provides an added layer of safety and ensures that the lift is not operating near its maximum limits, reducing the risk of overloading. 6. Evaluate the lift's construction and stability. Besides lift capacity, assess the construction and stability of the lift itself. A lift with a sturdy frame, robust materials, and reinforced components will provide better stability and longevity, enhancing safety during lifting operations. 7. Seek manufacturer recommendations. Consult the manufacturer of the lift or a reputable supplier for guidance on the appropriate lift capacity based on your specific requirements. They can provide expert advice and help you choose a suitable capacity for your auto shop. 8. Consider the available space. Take into account the available space in your shop when selecting the lift capacity. Ensure that the lift can be accommodated within your facility without compromising safety or obstructing other operations. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the right lift capacity for your auto shop that meets safety standards, supports efficient operations, and accommodates the vehicles you'll be working on. If you have any doubts or specific requirements, consult with experts in the industry for personalized recommendations. AutoCare 360 is your one-stop solution for setting up an auto shop. We specialize in designing tailored auto maintenance shop setup packages for a variety of ventures including vulcanizing shop, mechanic shop, lube bay, car washing bay and detailing center, auto straightening and spray shop, diesel injectors servicing shop, general tools, equipment, and many more. Get in touch with us today. Like, comment, and subscribe.